The first thing that you'll notice on the iPad OS is the home screen. The icons are a lot smaller and there's an empty space on the left. Scroll up from the bottom on the empty space and you'll see the widgets. Scroll down to dismiss them. Widgets used to have their own screen, but now they share with the home screen along with the other icons. Another most requested feature made its way to the iOS 13 and iPad OS, that's the dark mode. To enable it, go to settings, display and brightness, select dark. It's a system-wide change and doesn't need any hacks or tricks or jailbreaking. You can switch it to automatic, which will, based on your selection, either keep your dark mode from sunset to sunrise, or you can go for a custom schedule and change when you want the light appearance and when you want the dark appearance to start. The dock, the home screen, the wallpapers, every app is dark now. Finally, Apple has decided to redesign its volume controls. Now it doesn't show its ugly face right in the middle of the screen. Instead, it rests in a neat little horizontal bar on the top or side of the device, depending on which device you are using. You can either pull or scrub across the control. Multitasking is a major feature of iPad OS. It lets you operate on multiple windows. You can plan for your vacation by opening the maps. And if you want to check your calendar, just touch on the icon, drag it to any one side of the screen, like so. It will switch into multiple windows. You can resize them, have them side by side, or on the top of the screen you have a small bar. Slightly pull it down and now it will be a floating window. Now you can add one more app, probably listen to music, drag and drop here, and you probably might want to browse Safari as well. Just drag and drop here. Now you can flick from, you see a bottom bar there, and it changes into the iOS multitasking list of apps. You can change your music, go back again, check your calendar. Meanwhile, just search where you want to go for your vacation. If you want to dismiss the windows, all you need to do is just swipe them to the right and they are gone. Now you have just one window, one app. If you want to see them, just swipe them from the right and they appear in. You can also dismiss the apps. Just flick from the bottom bar, flick them up, and they are gone. You can also have multiple windows for the same app. For example, if you're in Notes and you need to edit two notes, open a note, tap on another note, just drag it to the side, resize the window the way you want it. You can do the same for the Safari. Open Safari, open a new tab, drag and drop to the side, and you have two new windows. If you do not want it, just slide it to the side like that. Keyboard has got a huge overhaul in iOS 13. You can now swipe for words. In order to do that, you cannot swipe to type on a full width keyboard. You need to pinch on the keyboard to make it small. You can float it anywhere, place it anywhere you want to. Place the cursor. Now type iOS is the best OS. Oops. Still, for capitalization, I think there's no other way. You need to type letters individually ever. But for everything else, you can just swipe around. There are smart suggestions on top of the keyboard. If you want a full width keyboard, all you need to do is pinch out and you have a full width keyboard. iOS 13 has advanced text editing features. To move a cursor, you just have to drag it across. To select a word, tap on the word. To select a word, double tap on the word. To select the sentence, triple tap. To select the entire paragraph, tap 4 times. It is a bit buggy right now. To select text, you just have to tap on a word and drag like that. To copy, you can pinch using 3 fingers and it will be copied. And paste it using the opposite action of 3 fingers and it will be pasted. You can paste it multiple times. Wherever you want to paste, you can put your cursor there and paste it. To undo, you just have to do a 3 finger slide to the left. It's all undone. To redo, you need to do a 3 finger slide to the right and you will see them back again. With iPad becoming more and more powerful, it's only obvious that the Files app gets more powerful as well. Guess what? iPadOS now supports USB and memory card. So now you can stick your USB or memory card converter into your iPad and see all the files, and slide down. You have a column view. You can sort the files by name, date, size, kind and tags. With column view, it's more like the macOS Finder. You can view multiple files at the same time. And one of the biggest additions to the iCloud Drive is now you can go to iCloud Drive, tap on a drive and share an entire folder. Yes, share an entire folder, which was not possible before. You could only share files on the iCloud. You can use your USB on your iPad like so. Apple Maps is getting a huge overhaul as well. With this version, Apple brings something called Look Around. It's only available for Northern California right now. Navigate to a place like San Jose if you want to try out that feature. Tap on Look Around. And it's Apple's version of Google Street View. The performance is smooth and it feels like you're just flying on the road. This feature will be available to all US users by the end of this year. Apple has started to gather street level data in other countries like Canada, which probably might be available in mid of next year. So this is going to take months or years to probably come to your country, but it's a very good feature nevertheless. Apart from Look Around, Apple is also having another feature which is called Collections. You can tap on Collection, and if you're planning for a trip or some vacation, you can enter that location. It's like bookmarking a few places. You can create it, open that collection and keep adding places. This is very useful whenever you're in a city and you want to visit a given number of places. And managing your favorite places has become a whole lot easier. Now you can add your home and work and other places. Another most powerful and highly underrated feature is accessibility voice control. It lets the user use the iPad or iPhone without touching it. This is especially useful when the user is driving or cooking. To enable voice control, go to Settings, Accessibility, Voice Control and turn it on. I will show you a quick demo of how to use it. Go home, open Control Center, show numbers, swipe up 12, show numbers, tap 6, go home, show numbers continuously, tap 8, zoom in. That's how powerful this feature is. Photos has got a redesign as well. Now there are tabs for days, months and years. Days shows the number of photos or videos you have taken in one day. Months will give you a highlight of which photos is best. The months view will give you a highlight of the best photos taken that month. Photos has got a powerful editor now. It can edit videos natively. Open a video. Now you can auto enhance it, change the exposure, highlight, shadow, contrast and a whole lot more. Also you can change the color filters. One of the best features however is cropping a video. Yes, you can crop a video and rotate it as well. Those were the top iPadOS and iOS 13 features. Apart from that, there's a whole lot of other features. Apple Pencil has become twice as faster. Now you have keyboard shortcuts. Apps can use their own custom fonts. Files can connect to file servers and external drives. Safari has desktop class browsing and has a download manager. Sign in with Apple is coming soon, which offers a whole lot of privacy. That's an entire different topic altogether. With Face ID supported iPads, the device unlocks 30% faster and launches twice faster. And here afterwards, all the downloads have a smaller size. You can tap your iPhone or iPad to your home pod to hand off music, podcast or phone calls. You can tap iPhones with your friends or family to share listening to the same song or movie. That's it for iPad OS and iOS 13. If you like or have any questions, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.